Yeah, actually, I'm not too focused on rapid response or anything like that. I think we've got plenty of time, and basically, if I can find 2 or 3 good ideas in a year, I'm in good shape. And I'll give you an example. GM is a good example of that. Um, the first time that was visible that Berkshire had bought it was I don't know, like May 14th or May 15th or so. And of course, I didn't do much with it at that point. Um, and it's really a few weeks after that when I noticed that Einhorn also had a position that I started to drill down. And in fact, so that particular drill down, I actually must have read at least a dozen books on the auto business, different facets of the business. I read books on Alan Mulally at Ford. Um, I had read Sloan's book, My Years at GM, some years back, and I reread some parts of it. And then there were, GM was a company which has a very rich data set. So there was a great book called Overhaul, which was written by Steve Ratner, who was appointed by the Treasury to oversee the bailouts for the autos. And so, basically, between the filings of the company and a bunch of articles and books and such, I think that work may have taken a few weeks, maybe 3-4 weeks, and then we were ready to pull the trigger after that. The thing is that the number one skill that you can bring to bear to beat the market is patience. So, you should never be in a hurry thinking that, this stock might go up, or, I might lose this opportunity or whatever else. Actually, GM became cheaper. I bought it at much lower prices than originally what Ted Wexler at Berkshire had paid for it. And so one doesn't need to be under pressure that you have to act in some kind of rapid response manner or anything like that. Generally, you have plenty of time to do that.